morning. Morning walkabout for Instagram in the garden. You know, I've been waiting and waiting for the warm weather, but the cool weather, the spring flowers have really loved. With the tulips, and the sedum is like thriving. The hydrangeas are putting on like a foot a day. The irises are starting, the allium. The bridal spirea is beginning. I love it when things ebb and flow. So the red bud is almost lost all of its pink to give way to the bridal spirea, which will eventually, the oak leaf hydrangeas will grow, be white. Excuse me, gotta start the Allegra. Allergic to something out here. The hosta beds are doing fine. Tell me if you would take that out at this point. Let me know. The vine. Oh, definitely.